Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable autosave for respondents on your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form and select the settings tab up at the top right. And then scrolling down, you want to expand underneath presentation where it says disable autosave for all respondents. You want to go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle to the left. You want to make sure that is turned off. You do not want to disable autosave, so make sure that is turned off and turned to the left here. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.